Alright, what's up guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Today's gonna be a quick recap, just to keep the daily uploads going. So probably 5-6 minutes. Let's get started. Today we are Friday, October 3. As you guys know, all the accounts have been passed yesterday, so today I had all 5 of my pro accounts. Unfortunately, today we took an L, which it's okay. L's are normal. I mean, the whole week I did great. Just Friday, I should have been careful and hopped off the chart. So what I'll do from now, from market open to 10, so 30-minute window, I'll look for trades. If I don't see any trades, after 10 is just slow probable anyway, so I just won't look for, I will just hop off the chart, right? So today we lost 760, which is alright, part of the game. We'll just keep going. Whoops. So today we had news at 10, where is it? Right there. So we keep in mind 10. Alright. I don't know why I clicked on IG by accident. So yeah, let's get started. We had London highs, London low, London lows right there. Asia low. So we had here a lot of zone next to each other for liquidity, right? Here we had this low, this low. Now, what can I see? Well, already what I can see is, let's just go and replay. What can I see here? Well, this fair value gap got disrespected, perfect. Now our bullish fair value gap are getting kind of respected. Here we created another bearish. Let's go on the 4 hours, see what's gonna happen. We are in this 4 hour fair value gap. 15 minute, do I see anything interesting? Not yet. 5 minute. 5 minute, I can see this buy side, so we can mark it. And then 1 minute. Let's go on the 15 minute. Yeah, we can see it here. Alright, perfect. So like I said, from now on guys, I'll just trade till 10, look for setup till 10. After that, I'll just hop off, make it easier. And yeah, hopefully next week we can start actually getting some payout. Like always, I'll take it slow and everything. But yeah, I'm pretty confident by next week we can get some payouts. And yeah, so let's fast forward. All right, market open, what can I see? We swept this buy side, and then what? We rejected, right? So as of right now, I'm looking for short, and on the higher time frame, it is kind of aligned with my bias. Remember, we had a bearish hourly fair value gap. Right there, we had equal lows, so I'll just mark it as sell side. Let's keep on going. So I'll show you guys how sharp it was. Let me just fast forward, I guess. We came back, went into this buy side again, redropped. Now, what happened? We created this fair value gap. But what? 941, 942, what can I see? Well, we're sweeping these equal lows, right? So from there, I wasn't gonna take this short fair value gap. And it's way too large. So I'm still waiting. Alright, sorry guys, I had a phone call. So like I said, then I was still waiting. Now we created this another 1 minute fair value gap. But like I said, we were just chopping in here, so I just didn't like it. From there we created another one. So now I was willing to look for shorts. 9:59, we just touched this London low, and then what? We kept going down. So now looking for short is what I want to. Alright, sorry guys again. So from here, what can I see? We created another 1 minute, and finally we swept at 10:04, 10:01. I think it was Asia low, right? Perfect. So now I can't just enter this fair value gap because we don't know yet if we're gonna reverse or keep on going down. From there, I'll show you guys the trade that I took personally. To be honest, price was just choppy today for me specifically, so I should have just hopped off. Like I said, from now on, 10 and after, I don't care, I'll just hop off. I know my strategy works. I mean, I got a lot of payouts. I just got funded in 1 week. Max Allo, 150Ks, you know. Anyway. So I'm still waiting. From there, now, what happened here? This is exactly where I entered. I was like, all right, price displays lower again. If I remember, we had previous day low here somewhere. So it does make sense. And the whole trend for the day was just down, 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 down. So from there, straight up, took a short. If I remember, I took 80. Yeah, 80. I took 80 for 160, and it did make sense. And as you guys seen, bang, straight up, stop loss. It is what it is. We keep, you know, it's part of the game. But now one thing that pissed me off is just I had to wait until 10 to 10 to even enter a trade just to get stopped out, you know. And I don't mind getting stopped out, but you know, don't chop around and mess with my intraday buffer. Because for example, if here we made, I don't remember how much we made, we probably was up 200 or something before losing. So now I technically lost 7, 8, 9, like 900 technically. I still lost 700, but I mean, if you guys get it, the buffer still moves, right? So it does sucks, but it's whatever. So yeah, that was the recap. Let me get out. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, no news. Perfect. Wednesday we can trade, Thursday we can trade. I'm gonna be trading every single day, looking for setups and all that. But Friday, I don't trade this specific new prelim. I've backtested it a lot, and prelim always fakes me out. So Friday I won't trade. So yeah, hopefully next week we can start getting some payouts. It would be very crazy. And yeah, bank holiday. Yeah, we'll see what happens next. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys Monday.